Turkish veteran journalist and academic Ookal said that, despite championing both human and labor rights abroad, the U.S. has been internally facing severe problems on both fronts.
Yani Amerika hala göçmen alan bir ülke çünkü ekonomisi ucuz iş gücüne dayanıyor. Eğer o göçmenler gelmezse ucuz Amerikalıların kendi toplu sözleşmeleriyle, asgari ücretleriyle gittikçe artmış olan ücretlerden çok daha düşüğünü talep eden iş gücü gelmezse Amerikan ekonomisi bir yıl bile dayanmaz. Yani rekabet edemez.
Ookal worked for the Voice of America media group for nearly 30 years, and now is an academic at Istanbul's Ibn Haldun University. He said the U.S. politicians are aware that the U.S. economy would not be where it is today, without labor done in captive-like conditions.
Herkes biliyor, demokrati biliyor, cumhuriyetçisi biliyor, think tankleri biliyor, o bize demokrasi dersi veren insanlar biliyor.
He said that is the best part of American hypocrisy, preaching to everyone while not hearing its own words. According to the International Labor Organization, the United States has ratified only 14 international labor conventions, one of the lowest numbers among member states. It has ratified only 2 out of the 10 core conventions, and has not yet ratified the Forced Labor Convention, 1930 till this day.